Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can download Elementor templates, and here you can upload those templates in the header. You can search for MC starters. Here you can see this is official website. Just you can click here, free Elementor header templates. Now scroll down, here you can find out various header layout and templates. Just click here any of these. After that scroll down. Here you can see download now button. Now you need to create a free account. Click here create now. Then click here sign in with Google. Select the email. Here you can see our account has been created. Now again we can search for MC starters, then free Elementor header templates. Scroll down and find out any type of header. Click here. After that scroll down, you can find out various download buttons. Just click here download now. Here you can see in 20 seconds header will start downloading. After that we will be able to use that header template in our website. Let's log in into our WordPress website. Just add here login details. After that let's go to dashboard. Now here you can see Elementor and templates. Go here and after that click here theme builder. To use this template, make sure that you have installed Elementor Pro. Let me show you in plugin sections. Here you can see installed plugins. Scroll down, you can find out Elementor Pro. So make sure that you have installed this plugin. After that here you can see header, footer and various other templates. Just you can download any type of template and import here. Just click here plus. Here you can see in the downloads I have this template. Then if you are using Elementor free variant, you can import this template. But if you are using Elementor Pro, you can import this template. Click here continue. After that enable and import. You can see the template has been imported. Just click here insert. After that here you can go on the right side of publish button. Just click here display conditions. Then you can apply various conditions. Add here if you want to enable on entire site, just click here. After that if you want to add on particular pages, just click here singular and you can select the pages. But I will recommend select entire site. After that click here save and close. So let's visit website on the front end. Here you can see the header has been added. In this way you can download any type of header templates and import here free of cost. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.